KBB.com 10 Best SUVs Under $25,000. This Ford Escape delivers an intercooled turbo regular unleaded i4 2.0-liter/122 engine powering this automatic transmission. Wheels, 17 alloy sparkle silver painted, with tilt front head restraints and adjustable rear head restraints, variable intermittent wipers. This Ford Escape comes equipped with these options: trip computer, transmission with SelectShift sequential shift control and oil cooler, tires, P235/55R17AS incorporated, mini space saver spare tire, tailgate/rear door lock included with power door locks, systems monitor, strut front suspension with coil springs, steel spare wheel, side impact beams, short and long arm rear suspension with coil springs, Securilock anti-theft ignition, pads, engine immobilizer. The votes are counted. KBB.com 10 Best SUVs Under $25,000, KBB.com Brand Image Awards. See what the experts say. As reported by the manufacturer summary, the second year into its gorgeous new look, the 2014 Escape is a compact SUV that is an absolute head-turner. A major departure from its previous generation, this Escape is refreshingly modern with sporty attitude. Further, the interior of the Escape showcases impressive design and high-quality materials. It is one of the leaders in its segment for gas mileage, styling, and great technology as well. There are 3 trims available for the 2014 Escape: S, SC, and Titanium. Standard on all 3 models is a generous assortment of standard features. You get a 6-speed SelectShift automatic, power windows, and door locks, a storage bin under the floor, touch controls on the steering wheel, and flat fold rear seats. Plus, it comes with a 6-speaker, AM/FM radio with CD, MP3 and auxiliary input, and a communication and entertainment system. The base S trim comes with a 2.5-liter, 4-cylinder engine with 168 horsepower that gets an EPA estimated 22 mpg in the city and 31 mpg on the highway. Plus the base also comes standard with the MyKey system for parents of younger drivers. The SE and Titanium come standard with a 1.6-liter EcoBoost engine, with an optional 2.0-liter EcoBoost i4 engine available instead. Bought as a 2-wheel drive, the 1.6-liter gets an EPA estimated 23 mpg city and 33 mpg highway, while the 2.0-liter gets 22 mpg city and 30 mpg highway. The S trim can only be purchased as a 2-wheel drive, but the other 2 models give you the option of 4-wheel drive as well. In terms of safety, all models are standard equipped with front and rear anti-lock brakes, advanced track with roll stability control, and a rear view camera. Come experience the 2014 Ford Escape for yourself today. Visit us today. Come in for a quick visit at Laird Wheaton, 2590 Bowen Road, Nanaimo, British Columbia B9T3L3 to claim your Ford Escape.